Hey, welcome to QATutorials. Let's get started with Cypress first script, how to create your first script in Cypress. So in this video, I will show you how to install Cypress on your machine and how to get started with your first script. So before we start writing scripts in Cypress, we need to install Cypress in your system. So let us see what are the steps for installing Cypress. So this is Cypress documentation for installing. So there are three ways we can install Cypress. We can install Cypress via npm, or we can do direct download, or we can version and run package.json. So in this I will show you how to do through npm. So Cypress we can run either on Mac, Linux, or Windows, right? So if we are using npm to install Cypress, we need like node.js 12 or 14 or above. So if you don't know how to check node.js is there in your machine, you can put a comment. I will create a simple tutorial how to install node.js in your machine. Right, so if you have npm, then you can just do npm install Cypress, right, to install Cypress on the system. So let me show you how this is done. So I'm using a Mac system, so I will be logging to command prompt, like the terminal window, right? This is the terminal window. And say you can do npm install Cypress. So that will start installing Cypress on the local system. So once that is done, I will show you how we can open Cypress and how we can start writing the first script. So this is already installed on my system, the Cypress. So that's why it's already up to date. So you can try, when you're trying new, it will start updating and installing Cypress on your machine, right? So once Cypress installation is done, it's installed in the local directory, right? You can also directly download from the server and install it. You don't have npm and all that, right? So how to open Cypress? So the Cypress is installed in the .node modules.bin, right? The exe is available in .node modules.bin. So you can go to .node modules.bin /Cypress open. It will open it, or you can say npm bin Cypress open, right? So here we're going to do this node modules. Let's press this command, open. So this will open the Cypress test runner. So then you can start creating your scripts in the test runner. So let's wait for it to open. It will take some time to open it. So let it open. Now we'll see what are the steps to create the first script, right? Here in the documentation, still opening. So these are the steps, right? We need to add a test file. So the Cypress scripts are based on JavaScript. So you can do like a sample specs.js, right? And then you can put your commands there, right? So mostly the Cypress follows this format, right? So you can put describe, this is your test script, then it is basically the test case you are writing. Right? Describes the test suite, what is your test suite is doing, and what is your test, right? So then you can put commands in this, right? Let's see. So this is Cypress opened here, and I have there is sample scripts already in the Cypress module that are given, right? So I will show you the script for the first script, right? We're going to do like Google search and verify the results. Let me show you the simple script. So this is the script I created, right? Cypress test script. So we are doing like Google search. So so there is the three commands. We go to the google.com and we'll enter like script like Java and then verify the results. The results contain Java. So that is our test script, right? So the Cypress command start with coy.visit. coy.visit will visit the URL, and if we want to get elements, coy.get and the element locator ID will be used to do actions on the elements. So we're going to type on the search box, then verify the results, right? So what I'm saying is, open a new tab. So this is the Google search box, and we'll type Java here, right? And we enter. Right, then we'll see that results contains java.oracle, right? So that is our first test, right? So we can run the script using the CI. So we select here, and when you open the Cypress, it shows supported browsers on the drop down here on the right side. So right now this system has Electron, Chrome and Firefox. I am running this on Electron, right? And when you click on the script to start running, right, Cypress will start running the script. Right. So let's see the script in action. So it's opening the new browser. It says here opening Electron 94. So it's opening it. So it's open. Now it's loading the tests, right? So Cypress integration Ruby.js. So it's going to open the Google browser, right? So it started opening google.com. You can see on the right side what's happening, right? So it's going to open the google.com, right? You're going to type Java, then enter, right? Then we'll do the assertion. That's the verification of our test. So this is the assertion it did. So this is how you start running your test. So so this is the script, right? Right. So these are the element locators, right? So Cypress uses CSS selectors to identify elements. So in the next tutorial, I will explain how to identify CSS selectors for elements, and so that you can take actions on the elements, right? So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section. I will reply to your questions as soon as possible. So this is a simple, very simple script to illustrate how Cypress works in the backend, right? So here there is no wait elements, or there is no need to wait for elements, because Cypress automatically take care of takes care of waiting for the page load and elements to appear on the screen, right? Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this content, click the like button on this video.